This is Annalisa from Creative, Curious, Learning, and Living, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you stick around. In today's video, it's going to be a quick video, but in today's video, I'm going to be organizing my 9-year-old's closet, decluttering a few things, and then putting the things back from the wash, and just getting this space a little bit more organized. And this bin here is a bunch of pajamas, and I feel like this bin got forgotten about up top here because some of these pajamas fit him, but some didn't. Some were my 7-year-old's, and I think things just got put back in the wrong spot. The boys are responsible for putting their clothes away, so sometimes I think they just put them in the wrong spots. So if you are new here, I am a homeschool mom to 4. I have a 9-year-old, a almost 7-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So 3 boys. 2 oldest are boys, then I have a daughter, and then I have a little boy. So we're going to tackle this. This is also Tiny Tidy Tuesday, hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. I will have a link to her channel down below, along with the playlist for lots of tiny tidies, lots of cleaning motivation, small tasks to get you started on your cleaning tasks for the week. Lots of cleaning motivation, so definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below. And we're going to just do this really quickly. And I'm going to give you a quick burst of organizing and decluttering. In last week's video, I decluttered my almost 7-year-old's closet. And that was a little bit of a bigger job. And this one was just a little bit quicker because, yeah, there wasn't as much stuff that needed to be decluttered.
There was no clothes in here except for the pajamas that were in this organizer. I'm going to take this out for now because there's a spot for the pajamas. And this is not really boy colors, but it's been in here for a while and they don't really care. It was just something we had and I love to use what we have. And I think when my daughter was in this room, we had this in here for her things and then it just didn't get moved. And it's like perfect for storing like a bunch of pajamas. But for now, I'm going to keep the pajamas up here. And then I have t-shirts down here. He has a few more t-shirts that are in the wash, shorts, and then his sweaters. So he has 3, but we're constantly using them. So I'm surprised all 3 of them are in here. I do not have any pants in here right now because those are the things we're using all the time. So I will get some of those in here. Also, they are sharing pants right now because they're in between sizes, but I would love to go ahead and get some bigger pants for my oldest because the pants that he's currently in, the size, are kind of starting to get uncomfortable for him. Then I have decluttered some of the pajamas out of here. So these are pajamas that will fit my 7-year-old now. This one is getting small, so I might go ahead and ask him if he wants to turn it into like a keepsake pillow or something. We did that with one of my oldest's favorite pajama shirts that was Christmas themed last Christmas, so maybe that can be a project for Christmas and I can put this in a safe spot. So we'll go ahead and ask him that. And then these are some pajama pants that no longer fit my 7-year-old, like size 6, and there's even a 5 in here for some reason. So I'll go ahead and put these in with the clothes to pass down to my youngest boy. And then up here, there's like an extra sweater that we just recently got that the boys will go into. And then there is some clothes up here, but I'm not going to go ahead and declutter those because they are just like Christmas stuff and like that's an extra sweater and just some like more dress up stuff. So that is all clean. I know that. So that's going to stay there. But have an idea of what's going on in the closet now. Pants will go here. He could use a few more pairs of shorts. I'm sure there's some in the wash, but he doesn't wear shorts as often, but he might want them for summer. And then there's swim stuff gets stored in our bathroom, so you don't need to worry about that. But yes, this is organized now, so that's great. Hopefully the pajamas will stay nice here. If not, I can always put another organizer up top as well, like they were, which I really like. I really like these big bins. I thrifted this and the other one, I think. If I ever see another one, can grab it. But yeah, so that is that. And it is looking a whole lot better.
That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love to have you join us here as we start our homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. And definitely check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below. Bye for now.